Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how to install Inkscape on Ubuntu. For that, go to Activities, click on it. Here and type terminal. Click on it to open. On opening, now type the command sudo space apt space update and press enter. Now enter the password, admin password. This will update the repositories. Now guys type sudo. Now guys type sudo apt upgrade. Press enter. Now we will install the Inkscape sudo space apt space install space Inkscape. Press enter. Do you wish to continue? Why? Yes, press enter. Guys, we successfully installed Inkscape. Press enter. This will open Inkspace for the first time. Click save. Here it is. So we successfully installed Inkscape. Thank you for watching the video.